Hi everyone, we are Team Halogens from SMJK Pulau. Today, we are going to talk about a serious issue that's happening around the world, which is textile waste. Textile waste means the clothes and fabrics that people throw away. It's a big issue in many countries, including Malaysia. In 2018, Malaysians threw away 195,300 tons of fabric. That is a huge amount. SW Corps Malaysia also reported that the amount of textile waste going to landfill has more than doubled, which is from 2.8% in 2012 to 6.3% in 2018. So, in this video, we will highlight the causes of textile waste, the impacts of textile waste on environment, and how we can reduce textile waste by applying 10R.
From my perspective, textile waste stems from three main causes. Firstly, fast fashion encourages consumers to buy more and discard items quickly, often after just a few uses. Secondly, overproduction in manufacturing leads to excess inventory as brands produce more than they can sell to meet perceived demand. Finally, consumer waste occurs when people discard clothes due to wear and tear, changing trend, or limited closet space.
Firstly, one of the impacts of textiles waste on the environment is the ocean will be polluted. It is because 35% of microplastics in ocean come from synthetic textiles like polyester. Furthermore, textile waste on the environment will cause microplastic pollution. The pollution happens when synthetic fibers shed microplastics into ocean and harm to marine life. Apart from that, textile waste will increase deforestation activity. This is because expanding cotton farms destroy habitats and biodiversity. Lastly, energy waste will be caused by textile waste. For example, manufacturing and transporting textiles generates high carbon emissions, which is 10% of the global total.
However, there are many ways to reduce textile waste. First, let's talk about recycling. Instead of throwing old clothes, we can collect them and send them to a recycling centers. These clothes can be turned into new fabric or even used to make industrial materials. Next, we can also rethink or redesign how we use our unwanted clothes. For example, we can turn an old pair of jeans into a sling bags.
Consider reusing clothes by donating them to charity shops, shelters, or organizations that help those in need. Alternatively, you can repair damaged garments through creative methods like embroidery, patches, or visible mending techniques to extend their lifespan.
Lastly, refuse is one of the ways to reduce textile waste. For instance, we need to say no to fast fashion deals, free promotional clothing, or impulse buys driven by fleeting trends.